Have you ever needed to use Google Assistant, but your hands were busy or your phone screen was completely off? Maybe you were driving, cooking, or your phone was across the room. The good news is, you can still activate Google Assistant even when your screen is off. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and use it. Let's begin with the basics. Google Assistant can respond to your voice at any time, but only if your phone allows "Hey Google" detection in the background. For many people, this feature is disabled by default to save battery, so the first step is enabling it. Step 1. Open your Google Assistant settings. Say, "Hey Google," or open the Google app and tap your profile picture. Then go to Settings, choose Google Assistant, and open Hey Google and Voice Match. Step 2. Turn on Hey Google. This option allows Assistant to recognize your voice even when the screen is off or the device is locked. If your phone asks you to record your voice model, follow the instructions and speak the commands a few times. This helps Google understand your voice clearly. Step 3. Allow lock screen access. Scroll down to the option that says Allow Assistant on Lock Screen or Personal Results on Lock Screen. Turning this on lets Assistant answer questions, set alarms, send messages, and more without needing to unlock your phone. Step 4. Check battery optimization. Some phones, especially Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and other brands with aggressive power saving, might block Google Assistant when the screen is off. Go to Battery Settings, find the Google app, and choose No Restrictions or Don't Optimize. This ensures Assistant stays active in the background. Now that everything is set up, let's talk about what you can do with Google Assistant while your screen is off. You can say, "Hey Google, what's the weather today? Hey Google, set a 10-minute timer. Hey Google, play some music. Hey Google, call mom. Hey Google, navigate to home." And the best part? You don't have to touch your phone at all. Using Google Assistant with the screen off makes your phone feel smarter, faster, and more hands-free, perfect for driving, exercising, or multitasking without stopping what you're doing. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.